can't really scrub her. She has no scrub.
I guess you figure find a complete stranger.
She probably knows.
Like the poor client sitting out there, they're like, not really?
She had to go.
I don't blame you though. She's so fussy with her feet. Hey! Which one do you want first? Janet was like, she was like, you want to cut Erica's cat's nails? I was like, sure. And Steph was like, she was supposed to come in last week. Janet was like, I know, she was a no-show.
Sorry. You have crazy curled nails. Sorry.
I apologize.
Hey. Hey. What are you doing? Yeah, these more often, Erica.
Yes.
Like that's painful.
No.
Let me look at him. Try to get this thickness out.
Okay.
Here, fussy pants. Almost done. You got one left.
Yeah, quarters of the way done.
Sorry, I made you look like Hobo.
You ready? One more foot.
And then we gotta look at your ears. Are your ears itchy?
Yeah, and like, I tried that stuff you gave me, and it didn't work. Like, I don't know. Can I do like that aloe cleanse?
Yeah.
'Cause I haven't tried that yet. It's just like this, like really itchy, you know, like. I feel bad for it. I try and clean them out, and it just seems to make it worse.
A quadritops failure.
Yeah, I tried that.
So now I'm gonna tell you.
It's always the last one.
Yeah, I got one more.
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah.
I didn't see that other one.
These are really thick.
Alright.
Okay.
Done.
Good.
I'm so pissed.
Oh.